Welcome to all of you in my class. Today we are going to study about Standard 9, Maths 1, in that chapter number 3, Polynomials. I am sharing a PPT. Welcome to all of you in Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Java. I am Mr. Khire SV. Today we are going to study about Standard 9, subject Maths 1, chapter number 3, Polynomials. In that our topic is synthetic division. Practice set 3.3. So let's start practice set 3.3. In that question number 1 is divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. Write the quotient and the remainder. We have to divide the given polynomials by using two methods. First method is synthetic division method and another method is by linear division method. There are two methods. By using these two methods, you have to solve all the examples by using both the methods. And then write the quotient and the remainder of the division. Okay. So let's start. First example, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth example. Some examples are given in question number 1. Now let's see example number first, solution. Solution for first example is synthetic division. By using synthetic division method, divide 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. These two polynomials are given. The dividend in these polynomials is 2m square minus 3m plus 10. This is the dividend. And coefficient form of dividend is, first of all, we have to write the given polynomial in standard form. Okay, by using descending form of the powers of variables. Okay, now coefficient form of dividend is 2 minus 3 and 10. Divisor is m minus 5. After that, m minus 5 is the divisor. Now opposite number of minus 5 is plus 5. And therefore divide by 5 to the coefficient of dividend. Coefficients of dividend form. Coefficient form of dividend is 2 minus 3 and 10. Write it down here. 2 minus 3, 10 divided by opposite of minus 5 is 5 divided by 5 to these terms. Then write first coefficient 2 as it is. Here it is. This 2 as it is here. Then 5 into 2. 5 to the 10. Write it down here. Okay. 10. 5 into 2. 5 to the 10. And minus 3 plus 10 will become 7. Again 5 into 7. 5 7 the 35. And plus 10 and plus 35 is 45. This is the method of synthetic division. Okay. Now 2 and 7 are the coefficients we got after division. Then these are two coefficients. 2 minus 1 is 1. Means highest power of the polynomial is 1. Therefore, we can write it as quotient as 2m. M is our variable in the given example. Therefore, use m only. 2m and plus 7. This is the quotient. And the remainder is this last number in the synthetic division method. Write it down in the box. 45 is the last number. That is a remainder of the division. Therefore, quotient is 2m plus 7 and remainder is 45. Got it? Okay, this is synthetic division method. Now, the same example is solved by using linear division method. By using second method. Another method is linear division method. 2m square minus 3m plus 10 and divided by m minus 5 again. Now, to get the term 2m square, multiply m minus 5. Every time we have to multiply by m minus 5. Okay. Then here, multiply m minus 5 by 2m and add 10m. Because 5 to the 10m. Now here, 2m into m minus 5. Means 2m into m is 2m square. 2m into minus 5 is 5 to the 10m. Minus 5, 10m and add plus 10m. Because they will get cancelled. Minus 3m plus 10 as it is. Now next time 2m into m minus 5 plus 10m minus 3m is 7m plus 10. Now to get the term 7m, we have to get this term 7m. We have to multiply m minus 5 by 7. By 7 and add 35. Then multiply m minus 5 by 7 and add 35 because 7 5 is 35 minus 35 plus 35 is there. Therefore 2m into m minus 5 as it is now. Now 7m will become 7 into m minus 5. That is 7 into m is 7m and 7 into 5 minus 35. 7 5 is 35 minus 35 plus 35 becomes 0. The value doesn't change. Therefore 7 into m minus 5 plus 35 and plus 10 as it is. Now m minus 5 as it is, then 2m plus 7 is the remaining term. Here 2m plus 7 and plus 35 plus 10 is 45. Now m is not there. Therefore, this is the remainder. And therefore, we can write it as this 45 is the remainder of the given question, division. Okay. This is the divisor m minus 5, which is already given in example. This is quotient 2m plus 7. Now the formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. Got it all of you? So quotient is 2m plus 7 and remainder is 45. Understood? Okay. Now similarly, you can solve all the examples in this question by using synthetic division method. Solve second example, x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now dividend is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now coefficient form of dividend is write only coefficients of each and every term. Here, coefficient of x raised to 4, 1, x cube 2, coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of this is last term is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is coefficient form. Now, divisor is x plus 2. Plus 2 is there. Now opposite number of plus 2 is minus 2. Therefore divide by minus 2 to the coefficient form of dividend. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by minus 2. Now first of all we have to write down first coefficient as it is here. 1 as it is. Now multiply minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 1 the minus 2. Here it is. Minus 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Again multiply minus 2 into 0. Minus 2 zeros are 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. Again minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 3 is minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now minus 2 into minus 2. It's minus minus plus 2 to the 4. And 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. Now the last number means the remainder of the division. Now remaining numbers are the coefficient form of the quotient. Write it down in polynomial 1, 0, 3 and minus 2. This is the coefficient form. Therefore, we can write it as by using the variable in the example, that is x. X is there, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, 4 coefficients are there. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is the highest power of variable x. Therefore, x cube, first term x cube, then 0x square plus 3x minus 2. 0x square will be neglected from the polynomial, therefore x cube plus 3x minus 2 is the quotient of the division. And the remainder is 9, last number, which is written in the box. Make it a box, which is remainder. Got it? Now, similarly, same example is solved by using linear division method also. X raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now, to get the term x raised to 4, multiply x plus 2 by x cube. We have to get x raised to 4. In x cube into x is x raised to 4. Therefore, multiply x plus 2 by x cube. X cube into x plus 2 minus 2x cube, because x cube into 2 is plus 2x cube, plus 2x cube minus 2x cube get cancelled. And remaining terms as it is plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Again, first term as it is now. This will as it is. Now, this is the divided. We have to divide to this 3x square or factorize this as by using multiplication of x plus 2. Okay. So now we have to get the term 3x square, multiply x plus 2 by 3x and subtract 6x. So multiply x cube is into x plus 2 as it is, then 3x into x plus 2. X into x is 3x square, 3x into 2 is 6x plus 6x minus 6x. Then 4x and plus 5 is there. Now x cube x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2. Now minus 6x plus 4x becomes minus 2x and plus 5 as it is. Again, to get the term minus 2x, multiply x plus 2 by 2 and add 4. In x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2 as it is, these two terms here as it is. Now 2x minus 2x is there, minus 2 into x plus 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4 and plus 4 and plus 5 as it is. Now x plus 2 is common term in all these terms, 3 terms. In remaining terms here x cube plus 3x and minus 2 and plus 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 doesn't having any variable, therefore this is the remainder. Now x is not there, therefore 9 is the remainder of the division. First example, this is our, this total is our dividend. Dividend equal to divisor is x plus 2 and quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2. This is, and 9 is the remainder. In both the methods, same answer will be there. This one is and this one is quotient. 9 is remainder in both the methods. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now similarly, you have to solve all remaining examples. Okay. Therefore, quotient in both the cases is x cube plus 3x minus 2 and remainder is 9. So you can solve all these examples by using same method. If y cube minus 216 is there, now here in this case, first of all, we have to write the given polynomial in standard form. Y cube is there. After that, we don't have power 2, 1, 0 like this. We have to write the given polynomial in descending form of powers. Y cube square is not there, therefore write down 0y square, then plus 0y minus 216, and then write the coefficient form as 100 minus 260 like this. Okay, and then by using divisor by minus 6 is the number, opposite of minus 6 is plus 6, divide by 6, then we'll get coefficient and remainder, quotient and remainder like this. Quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36 and remainder is 0. This is called synthetic division method. Okay, and this is linear division method. In both the cases, the answer will be same. Quotient and the remainder are the same. Value doesn't changes. Okay. By your own mind, practice these examples. Okay, you have to solve all these examples by using both the methods. First is synthetic division method and second is linear division method. By using these two methods, you have to solve all examples in the practice 3.3. Same question is there. Only one question is there. Solve all examples in that question. You can solve these examples in your notebook. So please subscribe my channel Shikshan Mitra, like and share my videos. And thanks for joining my class. So please subscribe my channel. Remember this thing, because you will get the notification of each and every new video after subscription. Okay. Thank you very much to all of you, and best luck for your further future.